How to get Uniqlo working promo codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in Uniqlo promo codes and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. All these websites will provide you promo codes for Uniqlo. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, Los Angeles. Once you open it, you're gonna find great deals and offers. You can see that $85 coupon code, 15% off coupon code, $15 off coupon code, and many more. Just scroll and check. If you're interested in any of the offer, all you have to do is click on the option of view coupon. So I'm gonna click on this one, $85 coupon code. Make sure you check the expiration date of the coupon code, whether it is valid or not. Once you check that and it is valid, you can click on this option of copy. Now you can head towards the website of Uniqlo, make your purchase, and whenever you check out, apply this code and get the discount. If you want to redeem this code right away, click on this option, visit Uniqlo. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Uniqlo. Now you can make your purchase, and while you check out, apply this code and get the discount. Likewise, make sure you give a try to these offers as well. Also, make sure you go through these websites, as these websites will also provide you tons of promo code and coupon codes for Uniqlo. Well, this is how you can easily get Uniqlo working promo codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.